I came over here and I really didn't know what the Walden House was, and I came in here and I just felt so good when I walked in. The people that come through almost always tell us when they leave that it's such a good home for them, a home away from home feel. And so I'm hoping in the new building that we can take that with us. I think we've definitely outgrown here. I think our needs have changed as a community. The word is definitely out, and we're full. We're very looking forward to having better care, more rooms. That ADA rooms are important too. A lot of times our patients have walkers and wheelchairs, and they definitely need that.
It seems lately, for whatever reason, we have been full. We only have 8 rooms. And one of our biggest problems is we don't have an elevator. And so we get so many people that can't do the stairs, and we have to turn them away because we don't have any room downstairs. It's hard to turn people away when they really need to be here.
The hospitality center itself, the Walden House side, will have 14 rooms and 6 Ronald McDonald. And there's going to be a welcome area, and then we'll determine how they fit into the hospitality center. There are good people in the world, and I think they're here. It's kind of neat. We're taking all of that with us to the hospitality center. Yeah, it's all going over.